Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I've already done the acrylic as an almond shaped set, and I am now going in with gel polish. So I think I used Dolly for the acrylic, but I can't remember. It was a little while ago I did it. I've been really busy. So yeah, I did the gel polish yesterday. So I'm doing the voiceover this morning. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Silly time to be doing a voiceover, but never mind. So the green I'm using is Soldier Boy, which it came yesterday. I was really quite excited about it because I wanted it for ages. So I'm using that with the Alps, and I'm attempting an ombre on that little finger. I think I've only done an ombre gel polish once before, tried to. So it's not brilliant, but you know, it's okay. So that was the first coat. Now I'm going in with the second coat on that finger. I did the whole design sort of one finger at a time. It's been gel polished. I didn't want to wreck it. So I'll do the whole set and then knock it on something, and knowing me, I would. So yeah. So I'm just using this little ombre brush, going side to side. I tried up and down first, but it wasn't working, so going side to side, which works better, but it's not perfect. But it's not too bad. It's passable. So yeah, I decided to put some little iridescent butterflies on the snail, which I should have put in at this sort of point before I cured it, but I forgot. I cured it. So I'll try to stick them in the tacky layer and you'll see what happens in a minute. So there they are. So I'm just like putting them in on the tacky layer and hoping for the best. And then I used the rubber base coat to go over them to make sure they stayed there and that the nail was nice and smooth. So when you put glitter on with gel polish, it can leave like a rough surface, which doesn't feel very nice. So yeah, so I go in with the rubber base coat, and of course they moved about a bit and I've got one stuck on the brush there which wouldn't go back on the nail. Oh, it's gone. There you go, so that's cured. So now I'm onto the ring finger, and I'm doing a full nail of the Soldier Boy at the moment. I quite like these. It's quite a simple design, but it's quite effective, and the colours look really good. I love that colour. I don't normally like green, but that shade is really nice. So I've left that second coat wet, uncured, and now going in with the Alps and a dotting tool. Just doing 3 dots there. And then I get my Line It Fine brush and just drag it through. Makes like sort of heart shapes. Bit of fluff on the end of the nail. And that's that. So onto the middle nail. I did a full nail of the Alps and then decided I was going to do sort of half and half. You'll see in a moment. I was having trouble with the brush because the Alps is quite thick and it's a bit hard to get it sort of neat around the cuticle. I should have pulled the nail out a little bit more to give myself a bit more room, I think, but you can't do that on a person, so... Yeah, and then I'm getting ready with the Soldier Boy. I must have cured that, didn't I? Did I cure it? Yeah, I must have cured it. Oh no, this isn't the half and half now, sorry. This is the one I did the little flowers on. So I'm just doing some simple flowers there with my dotting tool. It's so simple to do, yes, it's quite effective. And onto the index finger. And yeah, this is the one I started off with a full nail of the Alps. Trying to get that bit off the finger and I messed up the nail, so never mind. It's soon sorted. Okay, so I then go in, oh yeah, I was going to go in another coat of that now. I thought, no, I'm going to do this half and half design. So I made it up as I went along. I didn't have a plan, as usual. So cured that. I'm going in with a second coat. Did get a bit messy with that, didn't I? Okay, so I'll leave that wet, and then I decided to do a swirly pattern with my Line It Fine brush. It wasn't working very well, so I ended up swapping it for the dotting tool, the thin end of the dotting tool. And that worked fine. And then top coat those nails, just so they don't get any fluff or anything on them before I do the thumb. The hair stuck in there. And then I get some little crystals just for the middle of the flowers. Cue that. And then the thumb I go in is a full nail of Soldier Boy. I'm making a mess again. Just going over that with top coat. And with some little crystals. And that's all cured, and that's the finished result. Well, I hope you like it. Okay, so there's my reveal shot. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and leave me a nice comment. That would be really nice. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.